Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have active Microsoft Rewards and Discord accounts, and you verify emails. Once done, check the Nitro price you want, note the dollar amount and points needed in rewards. Enable two-factor authentication on both accounts to avoid blocks later. Make sure your Microsoft region matches rewards availability, because offers vary by region. This affects how fast you earn points. Finally, set a simple target date so you can pace daily point-gaining tasks effectively. Now focus on point accumulation. You should do daily search tasks, quizzes, and high-value offers first. They give the biggest return on time. Use the Microsoft Edge browser for built-in bonuses and run mobile app tasks for extra points during idle moments. Once you have enough, consider time-limited promotions or bundling offers. Only redeem if the net value beats direct redemption. Keep an eye on point expiry and use the dashboard filters to prioritize highest point per minute activities so you reach Nitro faster. When you have enough points, redeem them for the Discord gift card option or use Xbox credit if Discord cards are unavailable in your region. Once redeemed, copy the gift code and paste it into Discord gift redemption. Make sure the Nitro subscription activates. If it does not, verify your Microsoft region, account verification, and that two-factor authentication is not blocking redemptions. If problems persist, document error messages and contact Microsoft Rewards or Discord support with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.